Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Flip the assembly over and remove the 2 screws securing the hard drive to the assembly. Slide the drive out of the assembly to remove it. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly and secure it with the screws. Flip the assembly over and place it back in the system. Install the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the side cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.